sure you're there, little Miss Disappear.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Sauce Queen, and today I will be showing you how I transformed into my good sis Violet. Alright you guys, if you're ready to see how I applied it, then keep on watching. Let's go. Alright you guys, so I did my contour, highlight, all that stuff off camera, and now I'm just starting with the bottom half of the eye. Oh my gosh y'all, this was so hard because, mind you, I'm drawing backwards. So it took me a little minute. I messed up a few times, but girl, don't worry. If you mess up, just wipe it off like I'm doing. And if at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again, like my good sis Aaliyah, period. For this part, I'm using the reference photo to draw out the emblem, but y'all, this is a hot mess. It was at this point I realized it was not it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
So I had to do it again, but I finally got it. Next, I'm going to be taking yellow from the Maron Paradise Paint Palette and applying it to the bottom part of my eye. I'm really just taking my time with this, using a very small detail brush. Alright y'all, so for this part I started with filling it out in orange, but I made a mistake. After this I applied like a coral peach color on top, and that was completely wrong. So just use orange and yellow instead. Please do not make that same mistake I did. And don't mind me y'all, I'm listening to Men in Black by Will Smith. Next, I'm going to be taking the black from the same palette and applying it to that whole area that needs to be filled in. Now, for this part, you really want to make sure that you take your time. So, I kept looking at the reference photo and I realized that this is not what it's supposed to look like. So, I applied the paint to really help me shape the emblem that I wanted. So that's why it's gonna look different in this next clip. Alright y'all, now I'm just sketching out the top part of the suit on my neck. I kind of messed up with this, but it's really not gonna matter. All you have to do is use the paint as a guide for what you initially want. So it's okay. just fix it with the paint. Next, I'm going to be taking the same black paint and I'm just going to be applying it to my neck. Now, this really came out nice. Usually I have to set it with some eyeshadow, but this time I didn't. So I was like, okay, black paint, I see you, period. Alright you guys, so next I'm just taking this red cream paint and applying it all over that area that is supposed to be her suit. Next, I'm going to start using that beauty blender to blend it out. Now, the thing about cream paints is you gotta move fast. And you also have to set your cream paint afterwards. So after I'm done blending everything out, I'm going to set it. Next, I'm going to set the cream paint with my good sis Derma. So make sure you set it. Now I'm just gonna start drawing my mask on. Here I felt like I messed up because I had red on my fingers, so I tried again to really just look at the reference photo and draw the mask, but I honestly feel like I messed up a little bit. So I ended up using the black paint to really map out the structure of how I wanted the mask to look. Alright you guys, so I'm going to apply the lip color and everything else off camera so you can see the finished look. Alright you guys, here is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I had so much fun recreating Violet. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright you guys, I'll see you later. Bye guys.